Of the precipice of nothing new, fell into question all I held as truth. Seems there's holes in all my fairy tales, despite my passion to preach them well. A yell hushed after many long-worn years, not a failure to launch but to persevere. Being one so close to write upon my heart, a testament I've since torn apart. Testament I've since torn apart. All these rings around my wrist, how they scream who I am in this, who I am in this. Well, I'm not sanctified and I'm not free. There's no love that's come to rescue me. Bend my heart and even break my knees, but it's these chains that are defining me. Yeah, it's these chains that are defining me. Sin is all I've been able to wield. It's been my sword and even been my shield. And death, oh death, is my only home. The grave so familiar I could call it my own. 'Cause a loving grace could only go so far as to show my wounds and reveal my scars. Medicine I've taken to get well, but the aftertaste is that of my own hell. The aftertaste is that of my own hell. Well, I'm not sanctified and I'm not free. There's no love that's come to rescue me. Bend my heart and even break my knees, but it's these chains that are defining me. Oh, it's these chains that are defining me. Oh, it's these chains that are defining me. Said, son, do you want to believe? I cried, oh help me from the grave I'm in. Teach me life and who I really am. Teach me life and who I really am. Who I am.